Hi guys, welcome back to Swadaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change LinkedIn email address. You can add multiple email addresses to your LinkedIn account. You can log into your LinkedIn account using either primary or an additional email address account. We recommend that you add at least one personal address and one work address to ensure you can always access your account. But guys, before you continue, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, click at the me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage, and then click settings, and in settings page you have to tap on sign in and security and click on email address here. Click at email address first and enter the new email address into the box, and then enter your LinkedIn password. Tap submit, and if it is done, you have to check your email because there is a verification. And if you have confirmed your email, tap done, and your second email is there. And now you can make your second account as a primary. Tap your password first, and yeah, your email is already changed to your second email address. So yeah guys, just it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.